again, my partner stretches straight forward. He's got a direct stretch, his mind intent is shooting out to the wall. And he sinks into a stance just a little bit more, strengthens his base. Good, good, good. So we did the double toxal movement, where give me more stretch. Yep, there. Okay, so I've got a line, I can sink under that line, and then with the double toxal I picked up my partner's base. Then I very gently grabbed with the thumb and the fingers, then I sink the bridge down to his root, and I bring the bridge up to his crown. So we moved up and down through our partner's body for the Chun movement. Okay, now from here we take the same theme and we put the lance out. So he touches my elbow and my wrist. I put my left hand as a toxal. And for the moment I'm just going to touch my right hand onto my elbow area. And he drops his elbows a little bit more. Yep. Now it gives me a push and he stretches through me. And what I want to do is just drop this down, relax under and pick my partner up. Then I change. He touches the Lanso arm, I touch, and then I just practice rolling my joints under my partner. So there's a rolling pin effect here. My joints, my whole body, is my hips dropping, stretching, and creating a stretch underneath my partner's base. Okay, so then he does the same thing. He forms the Lanso shape. He puts the toxal under my elbow. I touch his base and stretch down to his base, and he rolls underneath me. My center of gravity is in the chest. His center of gravity drops down to the hip and feet, and he just rolls and stretches underneath my base. This basic exercise for grounding, uprooting, is very, very, very important. Now, once he's gotten this feeling, this arm drops away, and he just does a double lance out, and I touch through there. Now he drops, rolls his elbows under, stretches underneath, and keep a downward action as you roll the shoulders, come under, there you go. And then we use a double lance out to pick up. The reason why it's important to practice this exercise is you don't have much forward-backward line, you just have to receive and sink underneath your partner in this double line position. So it minimizes the outward movement, maximizes the inward connection to gravity and the downward sink. Your Silam Tao form is doing more vertical circle. Your Chum Q form adds the horizontal circle, and then your Bilji form adds more of the frontal circle. So we get to 3 circles coming into play at these 3 stages. And when we're in this position, we're doing the vertical circle. So we want to master that shape. Okay, thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.